for visiting my channel. Today we're going to be discussing the so-called fixed point types, which is the decimal. Okay, so the decimal has several variations, so you can just use one of them. They're just the same. So it is used for monetary data. Okay, if you have an application that deals with money or anything that needs to be precise, okay, or needs to have an exact value, okay, and then it automatically rounds the value, and then the maximum number of digits that you can use, denoted by M here, or what they call precision, is 1 through 65, and then the maximum number of decimal places, denoted by a letter D, or what they call scale, is from 0 to 30. Okay, don't worry, we're going to discuss this in a bit. And then these are the three variations. So first you can declare like this, specifying the maximum number and the decimal place. So just make sure that the decimal is less than or equal to the actual number, maximum number. And then the decimal, the next variation is just using the word or the data type decimal, denoted by the letter M, for the maximum digits, and it will give you like this. And then if you just plainly use the names, then it will give you like M10 without any scale. So anyways, we're gonna give you samples of that one. So alright, this is an example actually. So it's the same variation, but the names are just different, but they are just the same. Okay, alright, so the M and the D. So let's discuss the M and the D further. So M, they call it in probably mathematical thing is precision. So it's the maximum number of digits that you can use. Again, it's 1 through 65. So for example, if you declare this, it really means this. Okay, so M is all the numbers. Since you declared 2 here, it will give you 2 decimal places, all right, and 3 decimal places for the whole number. So basically M is all the numbers including the decimal. So that's 5 digits including the decimal. And the scale basically is just the decimal piece or part, which is 2. All right, so a tip here, generally for accepted accounting principles compliance, you're required to put 4 decimal places or 2 decimal places. So you'll declare like this, especially for monetary purposes. All right, I believe that's $1 trillion. Okay, so we're gonna create some examples right now. Okay, since I'm already inside the database and I've already selected a database, but let's make sure that we actually selected a database. Yep, practice. Okay, so we're gonna create a test table, table name test, and let's see, num1, and then decimal. Yeah, we're gonna make 3 variations. Decimal, that's gonna be 5, 2. Okay, decimal, and then just gonna be using the maximum number without a scale, and then num3, which is just the decimal. Okay. Alright, describe test. Alright, so as you can see, this is explicitly declared, both the total number and the decimal place. This one isn't, right here. And then this one, just the name. So it'll give you the default 10 maximum numbers and 0 decimal places. Okay. Alright, so let's try to insert the data. This time just in the first column. Insert into test, and then the column names num1, then values, let's say that's 5, so actually 3 whole number places, which is like that, and 2 decimal place. Okay, that will accept it. Alright, so hope you understand the explanation right here. Okay, so even though it has a maximum of 5 places, 2 is actually allocated for the decimal place. That's why you can only put 3 digits for the whole number. Alright, then we're going to select our table. Alright, select all columns from test. Alright, there we go. Sweet. And the next is, we're going to just clean it up and let's describe our table again. So we'll have a reference. Okay, so, and this time I'm going to insert a value to num2. So no decimal place, so I'm going to eat up all the 5 digits, right? Okay, I should have just removed the dot. Alright, it works. So let's select again from test. Oops, I missed the letter E. There. Okay, so take note, it encompasses all the 5 digits, so that's why you have 99,999 value here. Okay, so it's because you did not specify any 0 or decimal place. Okay, alright, and then the last one under num3, it will do the same thing because the only difference, it has 10 places. Okay, so let's insert that in num3 and let's see. Alright, then we got, okay, let's just select it first from test. Okay, so sweet. Alright, remember I said this is no longer the display with. Did I mention that one? Okay, by the way, this is no longer the display with, but you can still use the ZEROFILL. Okay, and let's see what will happen. I'm gonna alter the table, okay, or rather add another column. So alter table test, then add, let's say num4, and I will just say decimal, num4 decimal, and then I would say ZEROFILL. Oops. Okay, let's describe again the table. Alright, so let's see what will happen. So I'm gonna insert num4. Alright, let's see. Okay, and then alright, so let's see. It still works. This one, Okay, the ZEROFILL still works with our fixed point types. It's just that you can no longer do the, unlike in the integer types that you can really customize the display with, but at least it gives you that ability for the padding if you wanted to put some padding on your data. All right, so that's about it. So, all right, thank you so much for staying with me up to this point. I know it's a lengthy explanation for just one data type, but at least it's a thorough explanation. All right, I hope you liked the video, subscribe to the channel, and as always, you have a nice day. Bye.